Well, that's no good. So anytime the check engine light comes on in your 23-year-old pickup, it's probably not a good thing. So I got out my OBD tester and my Chilton's manual to take a look and see what the problem was. So when I ran the tester, it came back as P0455 as the error code, which says evaporative emission control system leak detected, gross leak. I looked up on Google what that typically meant, and it means that you have a major leak somewhere in your gas tank system. Well, that was easy. Lesson learned. Make sure you put your gas cap on right.